I'm going to show you how to place your document into Illustrator. You can never just open the document, you have to actually place it. So you should have all downloaded your drawing, your sketch, and the Smallzine layout.ai template from Google Drive. You will download that and open it up. So you'll open the template up by double clicking on it. Your first layer should be locked and it should say source. Okay, that is the layer that I've already created. You'll make a new layer if there's not one there, and we can title it by double clicking on layer 2, and you can just call it your image and then hit enter. To place your document into Illustrator, we have to go to File, Place. Okay, once you're in there, you're going to find your sketch, which you probably should, I told you to save it to your desktop. It could also be in your downloads as well. I just downloaded someone's from the class, Riley's, and hers is on my desktop, so I'm going to hit place. And then what's going to happen is you're going to see your little document as a small vignette. I always go to the top left corner and just click it. I just click with my pen on the tablet, and there my document is placed. You can go ahead and make it a little larger if you want. Do not extend off the artboard. So don't grab your document and then go all the way out here. That's not what we want. We need everything to be on the level of the artboard. Once you have it placed, it's still selected with the black arrow. You're going to hit embed at the top. So I'm going to embed that into my file. I'm going to then hit the flyout menu right up here on my layers panel, these 3 lines, and I'm going to go to template. What template does is it locks my file and it reduces the opacity to 50% so I can see what I'm doing. You should have page 1 in the page 1 box, 2, 3, and so on. This part is all right side up. This part is all upside down. You will not be working upside down. And then I'm going to make a new layer. Okay, I'm going to do all of my inking. So I'm going to title layer 3 inking. Inking is all going to be done on this new layer. That means all of my black ink. Okay, and then I hit enter. So I should have a layer called inking, image, and source. Okay, you can click on the little eye icons next to to the left of each lock symbol, and that will allow you to hide the actual file. So while you're working, you can get rid of these, and then you can see your actual drawings.